Option 1. AOMEI Partition Assistant Standard. Step 1. Download and install AOMEI Partition Assistant Standard. Step 2. Launch this tool, select the disk you wish to test, and click Disk Speed Test under the Test menu. Step 3. All partitions will be listed here and you can choose the one you want to test and click Start to start the process. Step 4. Once the process is complete, export the results for a deep analysis. Alternatively, click the Pro mode to check more information, including test mode, block size, queues, and read/write speed. Option 2. Task Manager. In addition to third-party software, you can use Task Manager in Windows. While it's commonly used to monitor running processes and applications, it also offers a quick and easy way to check hard disk speed. Step 1. Type Task Manager in the search bar and open it. Step 2. Click on the Performance tab and select your hard disk from the list on the left. Step 3. Then you can see some basic data about that disk, including read and write speed. If the active time is consistently high, 90% or more, your hard disk may be struggling to keep up with demands. Option 3. Command Prompt. For advanced users, the command prompt offers a command line method to check hard disk speed. It allows you to run a disk performance test using simple commands, providing detailed insights into your hard disk's read and write speeds. Here's how to check hard disk speed via command prompt. Step 1. Press Win+R, type CMD, and press Enter. Step 2. Enter WinSat disk and press Enter again. Step 3. Then, the command prompt will list the drives and their current speed. Thank you for watching here. We will see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send an email.